Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. But I do want to give you a heads up when doing this for that specific reason. Most of the time, your device becomes FRP locked. And to explain what that is, when you have a Google account signed in on your phone and you have a screen lock and you do this kind of reset, it locks the device, similar to what iCloud is. And this will force you later on, when the device is reset, when you're going through the setup process, you will need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was signed in on the device prior to the reset. If you can't verify one of those two, you won't be able to finish up the setup, which therefore would kind of keep you on it and make the device an expensive brick with illumination. So just want to give you a heads up. Now, I do also want to add one more little tidbit of info for people that might be interested. The GSM centers, like stores that basically usually offer used phones and stuff like that, they most of the time offer services, including ones that would allow you to remove this kind of protection from your device for a small fee. So if you don't know either one of those, I can get rid of it that way, hopefully. Now, I'm not making this as a certain, but you can always check out. So anyway, let's just jump into our reset. So first things, no matter if you have screen lock or not, you will need to turn off the device, and you can do so by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up our boot options. From here, you just want to swipe down to turn off your phone, and when it turns off, you're going to hold power button and volume down. Now you know that it turned off because it vibrates. So anyway, after the vibration, power down, power and volume down, and when you see the OPPO logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. Now I'm gonna increase the exposure on the camera just so you can see other options, as there is more than these two. And now you can see the dirty phone. Just give it a quick wipe. There we go, much better. Okay, there we go. You can kind of see this a little bit better. There we go. If I angle it, you can see the text a bit better. So from here, we're gonna select our desired language. I'm gonna choose English. And next we have three options. Now, obviously, we're interested in formatting, so we're gonna select the first one, format data. This is protected, no matter if you have a screen lock or not, by a randomly generated verification code, which is shown right here. And all you need to do is just type it in. So 3118. Now for you, this will be different. And for me, even if I leave this and go back, it's going to be different as well. And just to prove that, you can go cancel, click on it again. You can see it's now different. It's 9129. Before it was 81 or 81, I think, something, whatever. So I'm going to type it in 9129. I'm going to select format. Now this goes to the quick format, and I believe automatically, okay, not automatically, gives us the pop-up. Data formatted, so we're going to click on OK, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. So while the reset is continuing, the device will just kind of be in this mode, showing either a logo or a black screen, or just kind of loading something. And once it's completed doing whatever it's doing in the background, resetting, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.